Welcome back to our Python programming series. In today's video we will be exploring operators in Python. Operators are symbols or special characters that perform specific operations on values or variables. Python offers a variety of operators to facilitate different tasks, so let's dive right in. Operators in Python are used for a range of operations on values and variables. Let's break down these types of operators and purpose. The first type is arithmetic operators. These operators, plus, minus, and so on, are used for basic mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and so on. Comparison operators. These operators are used to compare values and return a Boolean result, true or false. They are crucial for evaluating conditions and making decisions based on the comparison's results. Next, logical operators. These operators and or not are used to perform logical operations on Boolean values or expression. Logical and or not operators are used to combine or negate conditions. Assignment operators. These operators like plus, equal, and so on for unary operations are used to assign values to variables. Compound assignment operators combine arithmetic operations and assignment. Membership operators, the operators in, not in, check if value is present in a sequence, such as a string, list, or tuple. They are handy for checking membership. Identity operators. The operators is not compare the identity of two objects. They determine if two variables refer to the same object in memory. Understanding and utilizing the appropriate operators based on your requirements is fundamental to writing effective Python code. For this lesson, we will be using the Python console. To open the Python interpreter in your terminal, type in Python and press Enter. Let's start by demonstrating the usage of addition operator or plus. When we add 2 to 3, then we get the result as an integer, which is 5. And with next example, when we divide 10 by 2, Python gives us the result 5.0, which is float. In Python, the expression 2 plus 3 indeed evaluates to integer. This is because both operators 2 and 3 are integers, and the addition operation performed on them results in an integer. Similarly, the expression 10 divided by 2 contains both integers. In Python, when performing division with the divide operator, the result will be a float even if the division is evenly divisible. This behavior ensures consistency when dealing with the division operations that might result in non-integer values. Next, we explore comparison operators. For example, the expression 5 more than 3 evaluates to true because 5 is indeed greater than 3. The next comparison operator is less than or equal to, and it will evaluate to true because comparison consists of two parts. The first part checks if 3 is less than 3. Although this condition is not true, the second part checks if 3 is equal to 3. Since the second comparison satisfies the condition, the overall comparison evaluates to true. We also cover here the inequality operator, which is exclamation mark and then equal sign, which compares two values and returns true if they are not equal. The expression apple is not equal banana evaluates to true because the strings apple and banana are not equal. This operator compares strings by comparing the characters in the string one by one. When different characters are found, then their Unicode code point values are compared. We delve into logical operators, such as AND operator and OR operator. These operators allow us to combine conditions and perform logical evaluations. For instance, true and false returns false because both conditions need to be true for expression to be true. And comparison true or false means that any condition which is true will satisfy two conditions, and since there is a true statement in this comparison, we get true. Next, we discuss the concept of truthiness and falsiness in Python. The not operator reverses the truthiness of a value. Example, the expression not true evaluates to false because the value of true is truthy, and the not operator reverses the truthiness of a value. In other words, not true as equivalent to false, and not false gives true. Next, let's talk about in operator. Here we have 3, then operator in, and then list containing 3 numbers 1, 2, and 3. So the expression 3 in 1, 2, 3 evaluates to true because the number 3 is present in the list 1 to 3. The in operator in Python checks if a value is present in a sequence such as list, tuple, or string. In this case, the value 3 is present, so the expression 3 in 1 to 3 evaluates to true. Next, let's see not in operator. This expression and not in hello evaluates to true because the letter A is not present in the string hello. The not in operator in Python checks if a value is not present in sequence such as list, tuple, or string. In this case, letter A is not present in the string hello, so the expression A not in hello evaluates to true. With the next example, let's create a variable x and let's assign it 1. The expression x is none evaluates to false because the variable x is not the none object. The none object is a special object in Python that represents nothingness. It is often used to represent the absence of a value. The expression x is not true evaluates to true because the variable x is not equal to the value true. The value true is a Boolean value that represents true. Now, as always, let's complete assignments to solidify our understanding of operators and their applications. By practicing these tasks, you will become more proficient and comfortable with Python programming. The first assignment will be to check if the letter coding contains letter A using if condition. So we have to use if condition and then membership operator in. The result will be if A in config, and then we print out the result. And next assignment will be to continue the logic using statement else, which will be printed in any case if the first condition if is not true. With next assignment, you need to use the identity operator, which is not. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future Python tutorials. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel. Keep coding and keep learning.